Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your place, beta. Beta, today we will do lesson 14. Today we will do lesson 14 of GK. So, beta, open your book at page number 22. Open your book at page number 22, beta. Yes, beta, the name of the lesson is Energy We Use. The name of the lesson is Energy We Use. Beta, what do you mean by energy? Energy means power that we get from certain resources to get light, heat, or to make working of machines possible. बेटा ये एनर्जी क्या है? एक पावर है जो हमें डिफरेंट सोर्सेज से मिलती है, जिससे हम लाइट गेन कर सकते हैं, हीट गेन कर सकते हैं और मशीन्स को चला सकते हैं. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ द फर्स्ट काइंड इज जेट फ्यूल. फर्स्ट काइंड इज बेटा जेट फ्यूल. Jet fuel is a fuel used in aircrafts, airbuses, aeroplanes. It gives power to the engines for flying safely. Clear beta? Jet fuel is a fuel used in aircrafts. It gives power to the engines for flying safely beta. Clear beta? This is a kind of energy, jet fuel. Next is wood. ये तो बच्चे आप सब ने देखी है wood. Wood is considered very first source of energy. इसको बेटा हम first source of energy मानते हैं, ठीक है? And it is quite affordable. Affordable means every person can buy it. It is quite cheaper than oil or electricity. Clear beta? So each and every person can afford this type of fuel. Clear beta? Wood is considered very first source of energy, such as firewood, sawdust, and it is quite affordable. It is much cheaper than oil or electricity. अभी भी बेटा आपने देखा होगा कई रिमोट एरियाज में कुकिंग के लिए वुड यूज करते हैं, ठीक है? तो वुड अभी भी काफी एरियाज में यूज होती है कुकिंग के लिए. सो वुड इज आल्सो अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी बेटा. नेक्स्ट इज पेट्रोल. Petrol is also a source of energy. It is mainly used in running different types of engines. It is also used in electricity generation and in transportation also. आप लोग बाहर जाते हो, कार में पेट्रोल डलवाते हो, ठीक है? तो पेट्रोल कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होता है? व्हीकल्स में, स्कूटर में, जो आपके व्हीकल्स हैं उसमें पेट्रोल यूज़ होता है, ठीक है? और पेट्रोल किस काम आता है बेटा? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के काम आता है. क्लियर? पेट्रोल इज यूज्ड टू रन डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स एंड इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Next is coal. Coal is a black or brownish black rock. This is the cheapest fuel used in factories. Cheapest means बेटा सबसे सस्ता होता है ये. This is the cheapest fuel. It is used in factories. In some villages still coal is used for cooking. Clear beta? It is also used for electricity generation and in many industries also. Coal is a black or brownish black rock beta. It is the cheapest source of energy. It is used for electricity generation. It is also used in home for cooking and it is also used in many industries. Clear beta? Next is इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो बच्चे आपको क्लियर है कि आप लोग कॉमनली इसको यूज़ करते हो घर में लाइटनिंग के लिए, ठीक है, बैटरीज को चार्ज करने के लिए, वॉशिंग मशीन में, एसी, मोबाइल, टीवी, लैपटॉप, ये आपका सब कुछ किससे चलता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से. So electricity or electrical energy is used in our daily life for lighting, in batteries, in washing machines, AC, mobile, TV, laptop and even flashlights also. Clear beta? This is a commonly used energy which we are using in our homes. Next is wind. Wind energy is the process by which wind is used to generate energy. Wind energy is the process by which wind is used to generate energy beta. It also generates electricity. It is also used in pumping of water. वाटर को पंप करने के काम आते हैं. Sailing of boats. Without wind, boats can't sail beta. Clear? Without wind, boats can't sail. So wind energy is used in generating electricity. It helps in pumping water. It is also used in sailing ships and in also land surfing. Clear beta? Now next is solar power. What is the solar power? ठीक है, तो solar power is the change of energy from sunlight into electricity. And this electricity can be used for various purposes in homes, in industries and in many other channels. क्लियर बेटा? सोलर पावर में हमें किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है? सन की, सनलाइट की, ठीक है. और हम क्या करते हैं? सनलाइट को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में चेंज करते हैं. क्लियर बच्चे? Next is LPG. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. It is commonly used in our homes. LPG used for cooking food. It also acts as a fuel for our cars. जो कई कारें हैं बेटा वो भी एलपीजी से चलती हैं. क्लियर? दिस इज अ कॉमनली यूज्ड फ्यूल इन आवर होम्स. क्लियर बेटा? वी हैव डन 8 kinds of energy. First is LPG. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas and it is used for cooking in homes. It also acts as a fuel for our cars. Then beta, solar power. It is the change of energy from sunlight into electricity. और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम अपने घर में वेरियस पर्पसेस के लिए बेटा इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्लियर बेटा? नेक्स्ट इज विंड. Wind is used for generating electricity. It is also used in pumping of water and sailing of boats. Clear? Next is electricity, beta. Electricity is common used in our daily life for lighting in batteries, washing machines, ACs, mobiles, TVs and laptops. Clear, beta? Next is coal. What is a coal? Coal is a black or brownish black rock. It is the cheapest fuel used in factories. In some villages also, it is used for cooking. Clear, bachche? Next is petrol. Petrol is used to run vehicles. It is also used to generate electricity. Clear, beta? And last is wood. Wood is a very common and very first source of energy, such as firewood or sawdust. It is quite affordable. Everybody can buy it. Clear, beta? And beta, jet fuel. It is used in aircraft. Jet fuel is used in aircrafts, beta. Is it clear? We have done 8 kinds of energy. Is it clear, beta? Now, beta, you will fill this page number 22 in your book and will revise this chapter. Clear, beta? I will send question, answer and blanks, and that you will do in your fear note. Clear, beta? That's all for today. Have a nice day, beta.